Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to observe the working of human heart. In our previous video, we have studied the working of human heart through a simplified flow chart, and today we will see how the human heart works and how the circulation of blood take place in human heart through actual heart diagram. So you know that human heart is a four-chambered heart. There are four chambers which are present in human heart. The upper two chambers, that is known as right auricle and left auricle, they are the receiving chambers. And the lower two chambers, that is known as right ventricle and left ventricle, they are the distributing chambers. And the right auricle, it is separated from the left auricle by interauricular septum, and the right ventricle is separated from the left ventricle by interventricular septum. And valves are present between right auricle and right ventricle, that is known as tricuspid valve. And bicuspid valve, it is present between left auricle and left ventricle. So now let us see how the working of human heart is done. First thing, the right auricle, it will receive the deoxygenated blood in which oxygen is absent. That blood will be received by the right auricle, and it will be received through vena cava, that is superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava, it will carry the blood from the upper body parts, and inferior vena cava, it will carry the blood from the lower body parts. Vena cava, they carry deoxygenated blood and will pour this blood into the right auricle. Similarly, the left auricle will also receive the blood, but the left auricle, it receives oxygenated blood by two pair of pulmonary veins from right lung and left lung respectively. So now these auricles, they have received the blood, and both these auricles, they contract at the same time, and their cuspid valves, they open up. So the tricuspid valve, which is present between right auricle and right ventricle, it will open, and the bicuspid valve, which is present between left auricle and left ventricle, it will also open when the right auricle and left auricle, they will contract respectively. Both the auricles, they contract at the same time. Then next is the deoxygenated blood from right auricle, it will be pushed towards right ventricle, and the oxygenated blood from the left auricle, it will pushed into the left ventricle, and both the auricles, they relax. Now the ventricles contract. When the ventricles contract, the cuspid valves, they are shut, they are closed, and the semilunar valves, they open up. So what are semilunar valves and where they are present? To understand this, let us focus on another diagram. Semilunar valves, they are present at the base of pulmonary aorta and aorta respectively. So the pulmonary aorta, which is also known as pulmonary artery, it arises from the right ventricle. The deoxygenated blood from right auricle, it will enter into the right ventricle, and finally from this right ventricle the blood will go into the pulmonary aorta. As in the starting of the video we have observed that pulmonary aorta or pulmonary artery is the only artery which carries the oxygenated blood. So this pulmonary artery, it will carry the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle. And next one is aorta. This is the largest artery. This is the aorta, and this aorta arises from the left ventricle in which oxygenated blood is present. This oxygenated blood will pass into the aorta and it will be distributed to all the parts of the body through this aorta. When the ventricles they contract, the cuspid walls they slam shut, and the semilunar walls which are present at the base of pulmonary aorta and aorta, they open up and the blood is passed respectively from right ventricle into the pulmonary aorta and from left ventricle into the aorta. So this is how the working of human heart is done and how the blood is circulated in human heart. So this is all for today. Take care everyone.